Imagine losing a 2-hour video that you have edited for more than half a day in VSDC. What would you do? Frustrating, right? All the video effects, the transitions, the cutting and trimming and all that audio effects that you've done there, all just gone. What if I told you there is a very simple way, a very simple feature that you've never really explored in VSDC that can help you? Autosave. How to set up autosave when creating videos or editing videos using VSDC? It's very simple. You go to desktop section where you have the options, click on that, and then you have a lot of settings that you can change from here, but right now we are only going to focus on the saving because that's what we are here for. So when you click on saving, you have all these options here. You have the automatically save projects that is, you can set the duration or the time after which your project will be automatically saved. So I'll click on this and select. I advise you to choose the shortest time possible because you don't know when your device is going to stop functioning or when you're going to have a power outage. So I'm going to select 3 minutes, then click on OK. You can ignore the rest of the settings, and that's it. You're done with that autosave setting up.